Hey, it's Jack. Tuesday, January 2nd, 2024. Hey, Happy New Year. Now, let me tell you, this is going to be one of the best years to trade stocks and options I've ever seen in my 38 going on 40-year career. Now, today, you might have seen the Dow is down a little bit. NASDAQ is down a tiny bit. But what I think that is mostly is just a little profit taken for this new year. I don't think we're going to shift courses and get into a bear market. We're kind of bullish right now. I think that's going to stay the same. Now, I just got to tell you, though, what I saw in the options market and what I saw in the stock market last year that was really amazing. First off, short sellers lost $178 billion shorting stocks. That might be a record. And that is a testament to why you always want to use a market-driven strategy. So if the market is bullish, you would not be shorting. This is the result. 178 billion they lost. Now, if the market was in a downtrend, bearish, we'd be all over it like stink on a monkey. But hey, when you got a bull market going, do not try to go against the grain, all right? Now, that's that as far as short sellers. They got killed. They handed over a lot of money. You know who else handed over a lot of money? Options buyers. Check this out. There was over $500 million spent on Tesla options last year. 400 million on SPY, 200 million on QQQ, and almost 200 million on NVIDIA. My friend, that is an amazing record amount of buying. That's pretty much call buying in options. Now, that's going to send the price of options up. And if you want an option strategy, you want to be an option seller this year because premiums are super high because this volatility makes that option really juicy, okay? Now, here's the other thing about the options market. It's up to almost 45 million contracts a day. That's a wild record. If you ever just look at the average amount of daily options contracts at 45 million average per day, that's really high, super high. And most of this, as you know, I've told you 100 times, is buyers. So what you want to do to make the most money possible this year is be an option seller. There's a whole bunch of ways to do that, and I'm going to kick it off right there this year with one of the best strategies I got on selling naked puts. So you got that going for you.